Attention, workplace warriors! If you handle chemicals, you need to hear this. So what's an MSDS? It's a material safety data sheet, your go-to guide for chemical safety. Let's break it down. First, identification. It's like the chemical's ID card, name, manufacturer, and uses. Next, hazard identification, where you find out if it's dangerous. Composition, ingredients tells you what it's made of, while first aid measures give you step-by-step help if things go south. Firefighting measures, that's how to handle a blaze. Accidental release measures, think of it as your spill cleanup plan. Handling and storage, keep your workplace safe. And exposure controls, personal protection. That's your gear checklist. Then we have physical and chemical properties, stability and reactivity, all the nerdy stuff. Toxicological and ecological information show health and environmental impacts. Disposal considerations? Don't just toss it, learn the safe way. Transport information helps you ship it safely, and regulatory information keeps you compliant. Finally, other information, any extra tips you need. Remember, in many places, MSDS is now called SDS under the GHS system. Stay safe, stay informed.